Freelancers, AI isn't coming for your jobs. It's already here. But you can still get ahead if you act now. Today, I'll show you exactly how AI is replacing freelancers, the jobs that are already disappearing, and how to make AI your secret weapon instead of your biggest threat. Stick around, because number 3 could double your income if you move fast. Point 1. The jobs already disappearing, AI has replaced low-cost copywriting. Fiverr logo gigs, social captions, basic video editing. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and OpusClip do it in seconds. Clients expect cheap, fast, automated, and they're getting it. But this doesn't mean freelancing is dead, just that you need to level up. Point 2. The rise of AI-first clients. Clients want results, not hours. If you can't compete with AI speed, they move on. Freelancers who pair human creativity with AI efficiency win. Example, using ChatGPT to draft content, then editing for brand voice, fast and personal. Point 3. Skills AI can't replace, AI still struggles with. Strategy, creativity, human insight. Shift into strategy roles, content planning, brand direction, consulting. Stop selling tasks. Start selling outcomes. Point 4. Using AI as leverage. Don't fight AI, use it. Draft faster with ChatGPT. Prototype visuals with Midjourney. Automate delivery with Zapier. The result? More output, more clients, more profit, with less effort. Point 5. Where freelancing is headed. The future is productize services, clear packages. AI-assisted delivery, 80% automated, 20% human polish. Results-based pricing. Clients pay for outcomes, not hours. This is how you scale without burning out. Point 6. The freelancers who will disappear, those who refuse to adapt will get left behind. Manual-only freelancers charging 2018 prices won't survive. But those who combine AI speed plus human skill, they'll dominate. Point 7. Your AI survival plan. Pick one AI tool to master. 2. Build a service that solves a real problem. 3. Automate repeatable steps. Position yourself as strategist, not just doer. Follow this and AI becomes your superpower, not your competition. Quick question. Do you see AI as a threat or as your competitive edge? Drop a comment. I want to know where you stand. AI is replacing freelancers, but you get to choose which side you're on. Use it. Leverage it. Turn it into your advantage. Subscribe for more AI side hustle strategies and check the description for the tools you can start using today. Act now, because the freelancers who adapt today will own tomorrow.